beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's video, I'm going to take you guys with me as I give you a tour of our temporary shelter. One of my subscribers who are very kind and generous to open their condo unit here in Cebu City for me and my family. I want to give a shout out and thank you to Joy and Mike from the UK. Joy is actually a fellow Cebuana, so thank you guys all so much for doing this for me and my family. I truly appreciate it. So this is their condo unit. We moved in here about 2 days ago and I'm gonna take you guys inside. It's actually a luxury condo unit and I cannot believe that, you know, we are here and we are gonna be able to experience living in luxury. I'm gonna take you guys inside, come on. So this is our new home and I'm gonna give you a tour. I keep saying it, I don't know why. But by the way, before anything else, this condo unit is actually one of the tallest buildings here in Cebu City. It is located in the center of Cebu, so it's very accessible wherever you go here. This is very close to Fuente Osmeña Circle, which is the heart of Cebu. At the same time, it's very close to Ayala Mall, to Robinson Supermarket, and everywhere else. Alright, so as you enter, this is what you're gonna see. Over here, this is the kitchen area now. I'm so happy because they have a full kitchen. It's got everything you need, to be honest. So we are gonna start over here. You guys can see that they have this exhaust so that, you know, if you're cooking, obviously you're in a condominium, you really have to have exhaust, right? For the smoke to come out. And then we have here a cooktop. I think everything here is electric, so that's very good. And by the way, if you guys don't know, like this area here in Cebu, it's already Veco powered. Veco is our Meralco, or is our electric company here in Cebu, so it is very good. We are slowly having electricity restoration, so that's nice. At the same time, over here, if we look down, you can see a full oven, so you can basically bake. Yeah, you can do some grilling here as well or whatnot, so that's very nice. I really love their kitchen, by the way, because it's got a lot of storage at the top. It's got everything. So over here we have a toaster, by the way. So if you guys can remember, right, I always do like toast in the morning, so that's a very good addition. And then over here we have a kettle. Here we have a rice cooker. Of course, if you're in the Philippines, you always need to have rice. And then we have here drying rack, and then more storage here at the top that you can put. And then over here we have some shelves, so this is where you put the plates, and I love it because, you know, it's complete and the quality. This is the type of plates that I've been dreaming of. I think this is Corel, which is a really good quality. Yeah, so that's nice. And then over here at the bottom as well, so it's got some cooking utensils. And over here, this is where you can see the glasses, and I really love this area because it's sliding. So tada,
You have to grab it like that.
yeah, it's so satisfying, to be honest, you know. I wish I will be able to do this in my house.
You can, of course. Next thing you have the roof.
Yes, after the roof, hopefully. And then over here, we have knives, some spoon, fork, and so on. And then over here, we have the knife for cutting and everything. And then, yeah, one of the things that I also love about this kitchen is actually the height of the countertop. So as you guys can see, if you guys can remember mine, it was pretty high. I had to tiptoe just to cook, right? But here, look, it's just here. Yeah, hip level, which is good, and you can basically cook, and yeah, you don't need to tiptoe or get a stepper in order for you to cook and whatnot. And then yeah, so here we have a really big 2-door refrigerator. It's also inverter, so that's very nice. And then we have here a microwave as well. And then yeah, everything here. You can store a lot of food or some plates and whatnot. They also have some wine glasses over there, by the way, which is really good as well. And I so love this cabinets that they put because this detail is so like elegant, classy, and dainty. I love it. I love it so much. All right, so much talking about the kitchen. That's how I love it, by the way.
You love kitchen.
Yeah, it's adulting. All right, now over here, this is where we can see the big dining area. So yeah, it's actually very nice because the chair especially, it's made of cushion and it's very comfortable to sit. I mean, oh my gosh, like this table is very nice as well. Yeah, it's very unique and it's very beautiful. We have here a beautiful flower vase as well, and then they added this mirror, which actually is very good because it can make this space more spacious. So from the dining table, we walk over here, and this is where you can see the lounging area, everyone. So oh my gosh, I super love this couch, to be honest. I mean, this is the dream couch that I have. It's very comfortable. I mean, look at that. It's 4-seater, and then there is a magic here, which is I super love, by the way. So this couch can actually be reclined, and this is how you do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Ta-da! So look how comfy you are. And over there, you can see a really big flat screen TV. Oh my gosh, I absolutely do not know how many inches that is, but look how big the TV is. And also it has Netflix. It's connected to the Wi-Fi, so you can watch any movies or any TV shows that you want. It's also connected to YouTube, so I can also watch my vlog. They have a really strong Wi-Fi connection, so I was able to upload a video yesterday, and I think it did not take me 30 minutes to finish uploading. And to be honest, in my connection in the countryside, I had to wait 2 hours in order to upload a video, and yeah, 30 minutes is very remarkable. I love this sofa. Like, I can literally sleep here, and it's just very comfortable. This living area and kitchen is also air conditioned. When we go over here, this is the view that you will be getting. We are pretty high up, to be honest, so that's the view. If you guys can see, new bridge that we have here in Cebu that connects Cordova and Cebu City is over there. And yeah, you can see the sea and the buildings here in Cebu. This unit actually has 2 bedrooms, 1 guest room and 1 master bedroom that has an ensuite. So I'm gonna take you guys inside first, the guest bathroom slash toilet area. This over here is the toilet guest room, and come on, let's get inside. How does it look? So this is how the guest bathroom and toilet looks like. I love it because it has a vanity mirror over here, and yeah, we have some storage here at the bottom as well. We have the sink, and they put some flowers in there. That's a very nice touch. And then over here, this is where you take a shower. It is, by the way, hot and cold showers. When you go out from this bathroom and when you go to the left, this is where you can see the laundry room. There's a lot of stuff over here, so obviously there's a washing machine and iron as well. Over here in my right, this is actually where the guest room is. It has a double bed, but right now it is locked, so I cannot really show you guys inside. But let's go to the master's bedroom. It is over here. This is how it looks. Let me just turn on the light so that you guys can see the beautiful lighting that they have over here. On the right side, this is where you can see, you know, a full-size mirror. This is very good when you're like dressing up, going out. It's very easy to like just put on makeup and look at yourself before you go, you know. We go here. This is a bed, and this is a queen-size bed, and can I just say how comfortable it is. I slept super duper good when we moved in here, and I did wake up super late because it really is very comfy. On the side, you can see a folding bed, so this is a separate one. Just in any case you have some guests over, then you can have them sleep here as well. These side tables are really nice as well. It has the same handles as the cabinet that they have in the kitchen area, like this one. I love it. And then they have this saying here that says, "Take me where the palm trees sway." Yeah, hopefully once everything gets better. I'm gonna take you guys here as well. How does the view from the master's bedroom? It's pretty much kind of the same as what it is in the living area. You can still see the sea and at the same time the bridge as well, and obviously some of the buildings here in Cebu. By the way, I love this electric fan. It is actually very classy as well. It has a touch of gold and black and silver. Also here, by the way, it is air conditioned. One of the things that I love as well, if you look up, you can see these beautiful lighting that they have. It's just not your typical lighting. It's really nice. And also we have here the closet. I'm not gonna open it. It's got all of our stuff inside. Yeah, there's just so much storage that you can put in here from above and then over here and then at the bottom as well. They really utilize the space for storage, you know. This bed, it also has a storage here on the side. So if we open it, tada, you can store a lot. If it was me, I'm gonna put a lot of chocolates and chips and whatnot. But yeah, this is where they put all of the blankets, some pillowcases and whatnot. So yeah, that's nice. Alright guys, so this is the toilet and bathroom here in the master's bedroom. It's pretty much kind of the same as the one in the guest room, but this one is quite big, I believe. Yeah, so we have here vanity and sink. I just love how they put these ones over here. They put some candles. Can I just say how nice and beautiful the wall here as well? They put this design. It reminds me of Morocco, to be honest. It's really nice. I love the colors. And then here, this is where they put the towels and so on. We have here the toilet, and one thing that I really appreciate is the bidet. Yes, if you're a Filipino, then you can relate. And then over here, we just have some rack where you can put towels and whatnot, and then over there up you can also see some storage. So there's a lot of storage in this condo, which I super appreciate. Now this is where the shower area, it has this sliding door, which is good. It separates the toilet and the shower. It's actually a rain shower kind of type, and I love that. It's also hot and cold, so that's good. It's actually very spacious over here, and I super love it. So that's pretty much it for the condo tour. I am absolutely super happy that Joy and Mike was very generous and kind to actually let us in to their home. Yeah, I'm just super grateful for the amount of, you know, support and help that me and my family has been receiving. By the way, this unit is 60 square meters, so it is actually really big. Also, it's a cornered one, so there is a really nice view here in the living area as well as in the bedroom as well. I just really want to thank Mike and Joy again. Thank you guys all so much from the bottom of my heart. I really truly appreciate it. If you guys are asking how's the current situation in Cebu right now, it is actually getting better right now. Some of the areas already has electricity from Veco, which is also very good. The only challenge right now is just really the water, because our water supply here in Cebu City was having issues because some of their or most of their pipes was actually destroyed by the typhoon. The situation of water here in this condominium, they supply water and each of the floor has scheduled water supply. So yeah, if you guys are gonna be traveling here in the city when the pandemic is over, when there's no more virus, I would highly recommend for you guys to check out this unit. I will have their details and their website on the description box down below so that you guys can check them out. They're actually very nice. They have 5-star ratings in Airbnb, and the service is like top-notch. Their agent is very nice. He greeted us with a warm welcome when we arrived here in the unit. Thanks so much again to Mike and Joy. I am really super duper happy that we are able to stay here. I can upload videos for you guys because they have a very good Wi-Fi connection and they also have electricity, so it's very nice. I'm super duper happy to be here. Yeah, I'm still recovering from the traumatic experience, and this really helps a lot. So that is pretty much it for our temporary shelter. We're gonna be staying here. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along as we go through life and look for a brighter tomorrow. I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.